how to increase or decrease the text size for text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up your text messages. Now to quickly increase or decrease the text size inside your text messages, all you have to do is simply just pinch in or pinch out like this, and this will allow you to change the text size. And that's it. So this will apply only to the text messages app. If you want to change the text size throughout your system, you can go into settings. So swipe down at the top and then tap on settings. In settings, we can scroll down and tap on display, then tap on font size and style. Here you can change the text size and that will apply throughout your system. So that will change the font size everywhere. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.